Fx equals to 4 cos x by 2 plus 1 for 0 less than equals to x less than equals to 6 pi. Find the values of x for which fx greater than 2 root 2 plus 1. Here see, this limit is very important, that is 0 less than equals to x less than equals to 6 pi. This limit is very important. So just now we need to do a simple trigonometric calculation here, that is f of x is equals to from here we are getting 4 cos x by 2 plus 1, and the values of x will leave it from 6 pi. Now it is fx is greater than 2 root 2 plus 1, so f of x is greater than 2 root 2 plus 1. So from here we are getting 4 cos of x by 2 plus 1 is greater than 2 root 2 plus 1. Sorry, one thing, that is x by 2 is in bracket and plus 1 is outside, so it is x by 2 plus 1. So from the two sides I can cancel out this one, so I'm cancelling out this. So 4 cos x by 2 is greater than 2 root 2, so I am getting cos x by 2 is greater than 2 root 2 by 4. So it is basically root 2 by 2 is nothing but 1 by root 2. How I am getting that? Root 2 by 2 is equals to root 2 into root 2 by 2 into root 2. So it is basically 2 by 2 into root 2. So I am getting 1 by root 2. So in this way it is now it is equals to cos x by 2 is greater than 1 by root 2. Another thing is, when we are getting, if we are trying to find out any rectangular triangle, then you will get to know this fact, this is, if this is 1, this is 1 and this is root 2, then this angle is 45 degree, this angle is 45 degree, and for that particular triangle, cos of 45 will give you 1 by root 2. Cos of 45 degree will give 1 by root 2. Now from this equation we can get the idea that cos of x by 2 is greater than 1 by root 2. So the value is greater than 45 degree, it will have greater value than 45 degree. So for this we will do this calculation here, that is for x, here it is x by 2 is equals to pi by 4. From this image we can see, from this image we can see x by 2 is equals to pi by 4 for 1 by root 2. Then the values that x by 2 can fetch, it is 2 pi minus pi by 4 and as well as 2 pi plus pi by 4. So how I am getting this? If this is a 360-degree angle rotation, then if it is pi by 4, then the period, that is 2 pi, the cos period will be 2 pi. So again, after rotation of 2 pi, I will again have 1 pi by 4, and after rotating it again 2 pi, then in negative direction 1 pi by 4 will be there. So ultimately I am getting 3 angles. So basically it is nothing but x by 2 equals to pi by 4, and it is 7 pi by 4, and it is 9 pi by 4. So these are the critical values that x by 2 can have. So now from here we are getting, that is, if it is for x by 2, then for x it will be pi by 2, 7 pi by 2 and 9 pi by 2. This we can have, we are multiplying all the fractions with 2. So in this way we can get the value of x to be less than pi by 2, and again we can get another value, that is 7 pi by 2 less than x less than 9 pi by 2. So these two values we can get in the range of 0 less than equals to x less than equals to 6 pi. I guess it is less than equals to 6 pi. Yes, it is less than equals to 6 pi. So these two values, this is the number 1 value and this is the number 2 value. These two values I can get in this range where this condition is satisfied, that is 4 cos x by 2 plus 1 is greater than 2 root 2 plus 1. So in this way this problem is also solved. Thank you for watching IV360. In next videos we will discuss the later problems. Thank you.